Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this ASAP Rocky slash mob drum kit. Crazy drum kit, I'm telling you, crazy amazing sounds in here. So I would like to mention that I'm actually sorry for not uploading as frequent as I do. I haven't been coming through this week. Reason is that I just got caught up in some stuff, but man, I'm back, baby. So I'm back on it, and hopefully we can get back to that crazy amazing cycle that we had in the beginning. So let's move on to this. So ASAP Rocky slash mob drum kit. Crazy sounds in here. There's some 808s, some guitar midi, some hi-hats, some kicks, some percussions, some snares, crazy just to, it's enough to get you started in making that crazy ASAP Rocky, sound, or should I say type beat. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like my stuff, you like my content, please just go ahead and hit that like button as well, for the sake of the YouTube algorithm, So yeah. All right, so let's move forward. So I'm gonna start you off with the guitar midis, and then I'm gonna jump to the drums. So let's do that. So all the guitar midis I made them at 87 BPM. Yeah, so I'm just giving you a go ahead to start, so you don't have to kind of move around with that. So let's get started. So I believe I already loaded up the first MIDI, which is here, right here. And for demonstration purposes, I'm using Contact over R&B. All right, so let's get started. So this is the first MIDI. All right. Yep. All right. Yeah, second House on the Hills, which is here. All right. Yeah, it's kind of like a Rocky vibe, like rock. If you've listened to a lot of ASAP Rocky, he does rap, but I feel like he kind of mixes it a little bit with a little bit of rock, soft rock, So that's the vibe I was actually trying to go for there with the guitar midis. Hopefully you like it. So now that we're actually done with that, let's jump straight into the drums. So I'm gonna start you off first with the 808. I'm start with the first 808 called Attention. Second boss coming. Yeah. Shoot belly. Steam. All right. Hi-hats. Kicks. percussion. Snares. Yeah. So that's it, man. That's it. Crazy sounds in here, crazy, process sounds. All just made for you to give you that go ahead start in making crazy, beats, A$AP Rocky type beats or A$AP Rocky sound. Or even you can use it for, whichever type of beat you want to make, as long as it helps you, man. I'm happy for that. So yeah, so that's it. Enjoy the drum kit, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.